Okay. Why are you sad?
I miss you from London.
Daddy will not yet go to London.
No, I miss you there.
You miss Daddy? Why?
I miss you.
So, I miss your Daddy. Daddy will not go to London. It's just plan. Daddy have a plan for London, maybe 7 days. But I will come back. Why are you sad? Why you are sad? Don't be sad because Daddy loves you so much. Oh, Daddy. You love your Daddy, eh?
Yes,
Why you miss your Daddy?
because I miss you when you're going.
You miss me when I'm going. Don't be sad because Daddy loves you so much. What is the present you want that Daddy will come back?
Toy
What so?
number blocks.
No, toy number blocks. So I will buy there in London.
Yes.
Oh.
We'll go together.
No, you stay here. Daddy only will go away. But next year, not this year. We will enjoy our Christmas and New Year. You remember that Santa Claus will buy you a gift?
Nico.
Yeah. Yeah? Love, baby girl. Don't be sad, ha? Hug the Daddy. Love, baby.